In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate HubSpot with Asana. Integrating these two powerful platforms can help streamline your workflow, making team collaboration more efficient. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have the two services connected and ready to enhance your project management and CRM synchronization. So let's get started by accessing your HubSpot account. First, navigate to HubSpot and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, look over at the upper right corner where you'll find the settings icon, depicted as a small gear. Click on it to open the settings menu where we can access various configurations. Now that you're in the settings area, direct your attention to the left-hand menu. There, you'll see a series of options. Click on Integrations and then select Connected Apps. This section is where HubSpot manages all of its integrations, and it's where we'll initiate the connection to Asana. Next, it's time to enter the HubSpot App Marketplace. You'll see a button that says Visit App Marketplace. Go ahead and click on it. The App Marketplace is a hub full of various applications that can extend the functionality of HubSpot, and today we're looking for Asana. Once you're in the marketplace, use the search bar to type in Asana and hit enter. Asana should appear in the search results, and when it does, you'll see an option to Connect App. Click on this and you're halfway through the integration process. From here, you'll be prompted to log into your Asana account, enter your credentials, and then proceed to authorize HubSpot to access your Asana account. This authorization might require a couple of permissions, which allow HubSpot to interact with your Asana tasks and projects. And that's it! You've successfully integrated HubSpot with Asana. Now your two platforms are connected, and you can begin exploring the ways they can work together to boost your productivity. Whether it's syncing tasks, managing projects, or ensuring your team stays on the same page, this integration brings a wealth of possibilities to your workflow. Remember, if you need to adjust settings or access the integration again, you can always return to the HubSpot settings under the Integrations tab to manage your connected apps. Additionally, explore the range of automation and reporting features that the integration makes possible. It's all about finding the synergies that work best for you and your team. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. With HubSpot and Asana working together, you're set to take your project management to the next level. Thanks for watching, and happy integrating.